At Haizol, we manufacture your machine parts in a range of manufacturing processes. Machining, we offer 5-axis machining, boring and milling machining, gantry machining, CNC milling, turning, Swiss machining, gear forming, special purpose machine forming, and electric discharge machining. We offer fabrication services, for example, sheet metal bending, welding or bonding, NC punching, cutting, structure and metal spinning. Casting, we offer sand casting, die casting, investment casting, lost foam casting, permanent mold casting, and centrifugal casting. We offer stamping processes, metal stamping, deep draw, progressive die stamping, and fine blanking. We offer molding processes, injection molding, multi-shot injection molding, rotational molding, vacuum forming, and rubber molding. We offer mold making, stamp die making, fabrication die making, injection mold making, blow mold making, extrusion die making, and other plastic and rubber mold making. Forging. We offer heading, impression die forging, open die forging, roll forging, and near net shape forging. Whatever process you're looking for, get in touch. We are sure we will be able to accommodate you. We also have second manufacturing processing. Just let us know and we will find a manufacturing process that fits you.